Today I'm going to show you how to paint colored armor. For colored armor that shows the metallics through it, so it looks like the metal's been forged in that color. Today I have a knight from the Reaper Knights pack. And now don't ask me which one. I got this like years ago in grab bag. Alright, so I have based the mini with Abaddon Black and dry brushed Leadbelcher all over the entire thing. First up, just for example today, I'm going to show you how to do it only on his pauldrons. Actually, chest plate would be better area, so chest plate it is. So first, I'm just going to take Leadbelcher and apply it solidly over all the chest plate. Not a dry brush, but like actual like base coating idea. And with that all dried, we are going to do the next step, which will be the first step of the coloring. Today I'm going to just do it in like a red color, corn red. So we're going to take our corn red, put it on our palette, and dip it in some water here, and mix it around to the point where it's almost transparent. This will need a lot of water. Normally I find the 3/4 of it is water. We're going to paint that over the armor here. Since it's watered down, it will take a bit longer for it to dry. Alright, so next up we're going to take that same watered down method here and apply it as a second coat. Then we wait. Alright, now we apply 1/2 corn red, 1/2 that to it. 1/2 corn red, 1/2 water to the base armor. You can see it's already kind of starting to glitter a bit. This method really works best with black, but as the mini already being painted black, it couldn't be done that well. Alright, that all dried. Our next step is going to be taking some Leadbelcher and watering it down almost to a shade. One half Leadbelcher, 1/2 water. And we're going to brush that over his armor. Now this is sort of more of a mixed method for this. This method requires a lot of mixing for colored armor. You can do colored armor without all mixing, but kind of harder. Alright, and with that coat done, I applied Leadbelcher mixed with corn red, mixed with water, so 1 part Leadbelcher, 1 part corn, 2 parts water, and applied it over his chest there. On his pauldron, I applied that same mixture and just straight on to show you another way of doing it. And then the other way of just doing colored armor is I'm going to take some corn red here and take his, I don't know the word for him right now, just paint onto that. And that's probably the most simple way to do colored armor. Is literally just painting it on. Which is what some people do when they color for Stormcasts, but they do like shading and stuff. You can also use this method for Space Marines or Cyberpunks if you're trying to go for more of a color. But to finish off our brush plate here, I'm going to take some corn red and wipe off a very large amount of it, almost like I was going to dry brush, and just paint it on. You start to see how much like armor it looks. then we have our colored armor. Now, with the black, there's another way you do this with black, which I will show you because it's just easier. So on this pauldron, we're going to take Abaddon Black here. It's nice, just going to be a mismatch of colors. Take Abaddon Black here, water it down. Then we just shade it over the Leadbelcher. This could be a heavier shade, so probably 2 parts paint, 1 part water. Let that dry. With that dried, our next step is going to be applying Abaddon Black, very fine highlight to the edges here. Okay. Then, when that's done, we're gonna apply Abaddon. Abaddon with a wash. Abaddon wash, half Abaddon, half water, to the pauldron itself. You can kind of see there how it's colored enough, but the color of it still shines through, and it's a darker color, so it's going to do that. Corn red, or lighter color, maybe like blue or something, it's going to do like what we had to do there. Or if we just mix the shade and color, it does that. And that's all there is to it. Painting colored armors. Hope this was helpful. Our little knight here is looking very mixed up. Doesn't know what color he wants to be. Anyway, have a good day and God bless.